Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today we're talking about a bike that's been the stepping stone for countless riders, a legend in the motocross world, the 2026 Yamaha YZ125. Yamaha's two-stroke icon has been refined yet again, and while the heart of this bike remains true to its roots, the updates make it more competitive and more fun than ever. Design. The new YZ125 sports sharper, more aerodynamic plastics, giving it a modern, aggressive profile. The seat and bodywork are designed for smooth rider movement, whether you're scrubbing a jump or diving into a corner. Yamaha's blue is as bold as ever, but with fresh graphics that feel faster just looking at them. The aluminum frame has been subtly revised for improved rigidity without adding weight. Performance. The star of the show is still that high-revving 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled two-stroke. In 2026, Yamaha's engineers have squeezed in a bit more mid-range punch while keeping the crisp top-end scream riders love. The revised 6-speed gearbox shifts smoother, letting you keep the engine right in its power band. Suspension gets an upgrade too, with KYB components fine-tuned for better balance over both small bumps and big landings. Features and technology. While the YZ125 stays true to its simple, lightweight heritage, Yamaha has brought in some smart updates. The new power valve control improves throttle response, and the updated intake system boosts efficiency. The slim digital display is small but functional, showing essential race info without distraction. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 is a perfect mix of tradition and progress, light, nimble, and screaming to be pushed to the limit. Whether you're a young racer or a seasoned two-stroke fan, it's pure motocross fun. What's your take? Is the YZ125 still the king of the small bore class? Let us know in the comments, hit like if you enjoyed this breakdown, share it with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest, detailed looks at the latest bikes.